So what is an API or application programming interface? Let's make things very simple with an example. Here we are in ChatGPT. If we want to interact and use ChatGPT, we simply go open the website, sign up, and then interact with it in this UI, in the interface. For example, write me a song about machine learning for kids. Okay, and ChatGPT will reply back. So you are limited to this interface. What if we want to use ChatGPT and the AI model in our own scripts inside our code here? We want to generate content from our code. What can we do? Simply, we use the API, OpenAI API. So API is somehow the bridge, the broker that allows you to access ChatGPT or other services securely and through your code. The same we have NLP Cloud. There's an API here where you can access their models. The same for Cohere. It gives you an API to access its models. The same for Stability AI. We have the API to generate images with their platform. So these websites and companies are giving you access to their tools and to their services through the API. The same concept applies to Google. We have Google APIs, so we can do maybe Google search with the API. We have Facebook APIs, we have Twitter APIs, we have a lot of APIs. If you go here to Rapid API, it's an API marketplace. We talked about it in our other course, how to build and sell APIs. For example, this API here I am selling on Rapid API. So you can contact with this API to get or to achieve a specific task from your scripts and codes. So in short, APIs is a broker that acts as a middleman between you, the developer, and a specific service. So you can access data, you can use tools, services directly from your code.